Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets by J.K. Rowling is book 2 of the Harry Potter series. It is filled with adventure and suspense as Harry tries to solve the mystery of who is turning students to stone. Get your copy today for only $6.99 plus shipping and handling. If you order in the next 30 minutes, you receive this magical invisibility cloak free. You call 1-800-GET-HARRY or www.getharry.com. That's 1-800-GET-HARRY or www.getharry.com. Order now and experience the adventure today. I will now read my favorite part of the book. Harry didn't even have time to turn around. There was a loud clicking noise. Suddenly he felt something long, and Harry grabbed him around the middle and lift him off the ground so that he was hanging face down. Suddenly terrified, he hurried more quickly and saw Ron's legs leaving the ground too. Heard Fang whimpering and howling. Next moment, he was being swept away into the dark trees. Head hanging, Harry saw that what had hold of him was marching on 6 very long legs, and the front 2 holding him tightly below a pair of shiny black pincers. Behind him, he could hear another of the creatures knocked out hearing Ron. They were moving into the very heart of the forest. Harry could hear Fang fighting to free himself from a third monster, but Harry couldn't have yelled even if he had wanted to. He seemed to have left his voice back with the car in the clearing. Order now!